and rice. Yes. This is how I make Lomi Noodles. Look at that. Let's try it. Mmm. Hi guys, so this is my all ingredients for my recipe for today. So it's Lomi Noodles. It's perfect for cold weather. So this time is winter here in Canada. So let's go. I'll tell you what my ingredients is. So I have here garlic, chopped garlic, green onions, and Chinese cabbage, carrots, which is a cut into strips, white onion, you can use red onion or yellow, 2 pieces of egg, slurry, which is mixture of water and cornstarch strips. We have our mix, kikiam, squid balls, and tempura mix, slice, oil with slice. Pork, around 500 grams pork, egg noodles, freeze egg noodles, and we need soy sauce and of course salt and pepper. So let's gonna start it. The pan and saute the onion until light golden brown, until the aromas come out. Garlic and sliced pork and little bit salt, ground black pepper, soy sauce, toast, kikiam squid ball slice, 4 cups of water. Put the lid on. It's boiling. Add carrots. Add your slurry or water and cornstarch mixture or potato starch. So the slurry, just to check the consistent if it's enough. And add your Chinese carrots. Stir it or mix gently with that. Add egg. Slowly mix. Look at that, Lomi. Wow. See? Lomi noodles. Perfect for cold weather. Green onion. There you go. Yes. This is how I make Lomi noodles. So heavy. Look at that. You feel cold because of winter? This is perfect for you. Try it. So delicious.